Comets. We are so excited to get you ready for our very first school assembly. Assemblies are special times when we all get together to learn, sing, and celebrate. But to keep it special for everyone, we have a few simple rules. Our first Royal Comet rule is about our bodies. What happens if our body is a wiggly worm? Mrs. Marino, show us your best wiggly worm. Oh my, look at that wiggly worm. Mrs. Marino, when you wiggle like that, what happens to the people sitting around you?
My neighbor can't see, and she gets grumpy.
That's right. Wiggling makes it hard for everyone to enjoy the show. That is not a smart choice. Now, let's see the Royal Comet move. So, Mrs. Parika, can you show us your ready-to-learn body? Wow, look at Mrs. Parika. She has a ready-to-learn body. She's sitting crisscross. She's staying in her own space. That's a big yes. Our next Royal Comet rule is all about noise. What happens if we have a chatty chicken mouth? Mrs. Marino, show us a chatty chicken.
Guess what I have at my lunch today? I've got the best cookies. Did you see my new shoes?
Oh dear, that sounds very busy. When Mrs. Marino is a chatty chicken, what can't our friends hear?
The assembly.
Exactly, we missed the important parts, and that's not a smart choice. Now, the Royal Comet move. Mrs. Parika, show us your zero voice and listening ears. Perfect, perfect. A zero voice means our words stay inside our mouth and our listening ears are turned all the way up. That is a giant yes. You are doing fantastic. So let's do a quick practice. Let's see your ready-to-learn body. There we go, great job. And let's hear our zero voice. Great job. When you use your ready-to-learn body and your zero voice with your listening ears, you become an Assembly Royal Comet. I can't wait to see everyone practicing their Royal Comet moves at our next assembly.